In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition mind map trees in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. We'll walk through the process of moving an entire branch of a mind map so your diagram is easier to organize and read. For this example, I'll show the workflow inside a Confluence page, but the same general idea applies if you're working from a Jira issue. To begin, open the Confluence page or Jira issue that contains the draw.io mind map you want to adjust. Once you're on the correct page, enter the page editor so you can access the embedded diagram. This is important because the repositioning option is only available once you're editing the diagram itself. Inside the page editor, find the mind map you want to modify. Click on the mind map to select it, and you should see a floating toolbar appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the draw.io diagram in a pop-up editor within Confluence, where you'll be able to make more detailed changes to the structure of your mind map. Now that you're in the editor, select a parent node in the mind map. A parent node is the main node that has other branches connected beneath it. After selecting that node, move over to the panel on the right-hand side and make sure you're on the Style tab. In the Style tab, look for the Properties section and expand it if it isn't already open. Within Properties, find the option called Tree Moving and check the box next to it. Once this setting is enabled, look back at the parent node on your canvas. You'll now see a small icon with 4 directional arrows attached to that node. This is the control that allows you to move the whole tree layout more easily. Hover over that 4-arrow icon, then click and drag it to the position where you want the tree to go. As you move it, you'll notice that all the connected child branches follow along with the parent, keeping the structure intact. This is especially useful when your mind map starts getting crowded and you need to create more space or improve alignment without rebuilding the branches manually. If needed, repeat the same process for other parent nodes in your diagram. That way you can reposition multiple sections of the mind map until the overall layout looks clean and balanced. And that's it. That's how you reposition mind map trees in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira.